On part en week-end pour célébrer notre première année de couple. Parfait. Je donne super fin pour marquer ça. Exactement.
She's back.
Hey,
Hey, Catherine.
Bon, je te rappelle plus tard, maman.
Vous venez me voir bientôt, hein. Dis-lui, Catherine.
j'arrête pas de lui dire qu'on devrait monter vous voir.
Bon, bisous, maman, je te rappelle.
À bientôt, les filles.
Georgie was asking for you. I told him you hated him and that you despised his baking.
You bitch. Du coup, comme j'ai économisé pas mal de congés, je me disais que on pourrait peut-être enfin aller aux États-Unis.
Non, je pense pas.
Bah pour aller voir ta famille. En plus, ça fait hyper longtemps que j'ai envie de découvrir New York.
You wouldn't like my family.
Ça fait longtemps que tu les as pas vus.
I'm excited for this weekend.
You could have just done something new.
I wanted to. I want this weekend to be special. It's a big deal.
I guess. It's just a lot.
Well, I keep saying I can help pay for things.
C'est une étudiante internationale fauchée. Bien sûr, ma belle. Where'd you get that?
Rented it? It's a weekend, not a month.
Let's go upstairs. Come on. Step back from there, it's dangerous.
It's fine.
Diane.
It's fine. Stand there.
No, I told him that we needed the flights on Thursday, not Friday. He is utterly incompetent. And this place is nothing like they said. I don't know what they're expecting me to do with it. It's in the middle of nowhere. No, I know. But, oh, the room is not what they sold me on. It is so small. I'll be fine. Figure it out. It's just a couple of days. Yeah. I'll speak to you soon. The pool's kind of small, isn't it? Look bigger in the pictures. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. Charlotte, by the way. Wasn't originally going to come, but then they ended up comping the whole thing last minute, and I have like a deal with the chain, so sort of forced to come. The pool looks bigger in their photos. Why not just make it look bigger in your photos? What's your name? Catherine? Well, lovely to meet you.
Feels bad.
I highly doubt that. You should have seen how she was talking to her assistant or whoever.
She even offered to swap rooms.
Try taking her up on it.
Look, she wants to buy us dinner. If you don't want to go, it's fine, but I'm going.
Honestly, I was bouncing back and forth between LA and New York, doing makeup sponsorships, basically selling products to little girls. And then I got pulled back to Europe for these travel campaigns, and now I'm ready for something new again.
You don't get lonely traveling all alone?
No! I am constantly meeting people, and plenty of creators are solo travelers, so you get to know people along the way.
I don't know if I could do it. I feel like I'd feel unsafe traveling by myself like that.
Yeah, seems risky. Nobody really knows where you are.
Well, what's life without a little risk?
You've traveled solo before?
Not really. Only Europe.
When the two of us met, she seemed so down on herself. Didn't seem to know anyone. And then she just came and swept me off of my feet.
You two are together? Oh my God. I thought you were sisters or something.
Sisters.
Oh, this is so cute.
I mean, this is actually our anniversary. A whole year.
Oh my God, and I'm here just like ruining the whole thing.
No, that's true.
So, what have you got planned?
Yeah, we're thinking of going out to the countryside. Maybe see a vineyard.
Oh, I actually have this exclusive wine tour happening tomorrow. Sponsor thing. I could get you guys invited.
We have our own plans.
So, how long have you been in France?
Me?
Yeah. You're American, no?
Yeah. But I've been in Europe for a number of years.
America is so new. There's something about modern cities that just speaks to me.
Greener grass, I guess.
Totally. So much more lush. I just got back from Japan, and I got the most beautiful pictures.
Oh, Catherine's always wanted to go see Asia. We think we might try to go next year.
You've never been?
No. Bucket list, I guess.
I mean, you're always talking about it.
Well, everyone's got to start somewhere. I'm actually thinking about going back to Bali once Europe inevitably bores me. I've got some friends in Thailand, and I'm definitely so jealous.
She's nice.
Sure.
She means well. I don't mind her. She apparently helps run this charity.
It's just the entitlement. Girls like that just take and take. If we were to take their phones away, they'd be completely useless. Dead in a week.
Are you jealous?
What? No. I just think girls like that are single-handedly ruining the next generation of women. Someone should teach them a lesson. A little isolation with other phones would probably do them good.
Always so dramatic.
When I was a kid, I spent a lot of time alone. Did me good.
What, like strand them all alone with no phone service and see how long they survive?
See, now you're talking like a psychopath.
Would make a good reality show.
I bet no one would notice if she disappeared.
What are you looking at?
Nothing. Tomorrow, let's go to the countryside. Just you and me. What we came here for.
I'd like.
You're up early. Look at you, all done up. Yeah, you. Long black with milk and a little bowl of fruit. Dan still asleep? Mm-hmm. Oh, I've always been an early riser, though it's hard here with how impossible it is to get a proper latte. There is nothing I hate more than wasting the day away before it's even begun. Should I tell you the plan?
No.
Yeah, I was texting her last night. I sent her the tickets for that beautiful vineyard, very exclusive. She mentioned she'd be happy to take some photos for me today. She is so talented.
She did. Is that right?
Yeah, I was telling her that she'd do so well being a photographer for creators. I know some friends that would love to have her. I'm going to set her up with them. It's such a great opportunity for her.
She's actually not feeling very well this morning.
Oh, no.
Yeah, a stomach bug. I think she's gonna stay in for the rest of the day.
That's too bad.
But I'd be happy to be your photographer for the day. I actually know just the place we should go. Let me get a camera.
I'm definitely a red wine connoisseur myself. It's all Shiraz in this area, Syrah grapes. More of a Pinot Noir girl. Do you know much about wine?
No, not really.
Oh, you should learn. There's so much more depth to be explored once you get beneath a typical wine. I'd be happy to teach her. Diane mentioned that you're at school for computer science.
I was. I dropped out.
I get it. Pressure was too much.
No, it's not that.
I remember when I wasn't sure what to do with my life. We all find our way, though. I am more than sure you'll figure it out.
I think it's just around the corner over here. Ah, there it is. Oh, incredible. Just wait till you see inside. I forgot how this works. Diane was showing me. Here, let me take some with your phone. Perfect. A little to the left. Oh, shit. What's your password?
We don't... Whatever, it's 8546.
Let's go upstairs. It's really cool up there.
Okay.
The lighting's just perfect. Here, stand over there. The photos are gonna be amazing.
Seems a bit unstable.
No, it's fine. Diane and I were here yesterday.
Okay. Yeah, it looks like a long drop.
Hey, where have you been? I texted you.
I went for a run this morning. I couldn't sleep.
Okay. Well, I just went to the pool. I want to go get a shower. Have you eaten?
Yeah, I ate before I left. I'll come join you in a bit.
Okay, before I forget, Charlotte, she won't stop texting me. She wants us to go to that vineyard thing. I told her that we were busy, and I was thinking that the two of us could do
Yeah,
this.
we should go. The vineyard sounds nice. Hi.
Pierre bought the original vineyard with just 7 hectares in the 1965.
It's strange. I texted her, but I still haven't heard anything.
Maybe she got sick.
I think she lets us know. She lets us know everything else about her.
And here we have the grapevine rose. Very low pitch here, switching over. Now, can anyone guess which grape variety we grow the most of here?
Syrah.
That is correct. Very good.
So nice of her to give us the room.
I mean, she's gone, so...
Yeah. Strange of her to run off like that. Wonder if something happened.
I told you. Girls like that only care about themselves. This weekend's shaping up exactly as I'd hoped.
I could use a bit of help.
Who's that?
Oh, just an old friend.
She's quite pretty.
Yeah.
I'm going to bed.
Night. You need anything?
No, I'm good.
See you in a bit. Diane?
I don't understand. Is your name even Catherine? Why do you have access to Charlotte's account?
I can explain.
You've done this before.
Diane.
What were you doing in Thailand?
I've never been to Thailand.
Yes, you have.
What did you read?
Several girls were killed. I'm gonna go to the police.
No, don't, please, Diane. Diane. Diane, I love you.
You lied to me.
I was going to tell you.
What? That you're an actual fucking psychopath.
Here's what's gonna happen.
Yeah, yeah. No shoes to the door, no keys on the couch, no life in the tomb, don't feed that. New lease on a car, new lease on a house, new lease on my life, I need that. 2 trees in the yard, new leaves on the trees, they live to 180 amount. No smoke in the room, no smoke in the lounge, had a joint on the porch to myself, no feedback, yeah. Yeah, no feedback, yeah. Yeah. Give it to me. No shoes to the door, no keys in the couch, no life in the tomb, don't feed that. New lease on a car, new lease on a house, new lease on my life, I need that. 2 trees in the yard, new leaves on the trees, they live to 180 amount. No smoke in the room, no smoke in the lounge, had a joint to myself on the porch, no feedback, yeah. Yeah, no feedback, yeah.
She took my identity, and nobody believed me.
That's the claim of our next guest, who just over a year ago was embroiled in controversy over the death of her boyfriend, Ryan Evans.
We're taking you all the way over to Thailand with this one. A true trouble in paradise.
Authorities found the remains of 2 women, Becky Wilson and Laura Gallagher, on a small, uninhabited island in the Gulf of Thailand.
She returned with 2 bodies on a boat, both Ryan Evans and Jessica Matthews, claiming to authorities that she had left the murderer on the island.
However, when they showed up, the island was empty.
No murderer.
The supposed suspect, a woman known only by the name CW, who has a prominent birthmark on the right side of her face.
Yet somehow, no clear photos of her exist. No record of any kind. She disappeared like a ghost in the wind.
Which leads us to our guest, who initially became a suspect but was ultimately cleared of all charges due to the lack of evidence. 4 dead bodies, 2 others missing.
And no culprit. Very excited for our guest today, finally breaking her silence after all the controversy. We give you the infamous Madison White. Thanks for coming on.
Welcome to the show.
Thanks for having me. I really appreciated everything you guys said when this all came out.
So you are completely offline now.
It was too much. I couldn't go anywhere. But I'm feeling better now. I'm back in school and...
The harassment?
People blamed me. I mean, you saw what Ryan's family put out.
Madison always seemed off.
Our relationship was put under a microscope. And initially, everything she put out painted him as abusive. But then they started to pick me apart.
Your follower count exploded.
She put out... What do you mean by that?
What she wrote about Ryan on my account. None of that was true. I had to move. People were showing up at my house. They found my phone number. It was awful.
From what I understand, you claim she took over your social media.
Yes. I was on that island for 4 weeks.
So you claim.
So I claim.
You were posting throughout that entire period.
She was posting.
A girl nobody can seem to find. I mean, she just disappears.
I don't understand this. She took over my whole goddamn life. My account, my banking.
You did delete your account right after coming home?
Yeah.
The boat was stolen. The owner was a local fisherman. You can't register a boat as a foreigner.
All the stuff on it belonged to Ryan or Jessica. Not one item was owned by CW. What kind of name is that even?
Like the network.
Yeah.
I mean, the whole thing reeks like a bad made-for-TV movie.
She just brought that stuff to get rid of it. She must have had her stuff stored somewhere else. There is security footage of her at the resort I was at. The hotel confirmed there was another guest.
Proves nothing. And the video footage is barely visible. The resort is halfway across the country from where the island was.
We traveled. How do you explain Becky and Laura? Or the other two girls, Rhea and Samantha, who they...
Still missing. More's come out linking you to them. Your fingerprints are all over Becky and Laura's bodies, nobody else's.
I found them dead, and I buried them. What about her other bungalow? Where she'd been living in the jungle.
Rented by Becky Wilson. The owner hasn't even met anyone else.
If this CW person, if she really does exist, why did she do it? What did she have to gain?
She took over my entire life.
Yeah, but why?
I don't know.
How did she get off the island? You said yourself it was miles off the coast. You were stuck there, no way off. If she was able to get off so easily, why not you?
I don't know.
I mean, according to you, she's pretty recognizable, so how does somebody like that just disappear?
Hey, we're just trying to get to the truth here.
You guys defended me. That's the whole reason I came onto this podcast.
The more that's come out, the more complicated it all looks.
I was cleared of all charges.
Does that make you innocent? If you want to protect yourself from individuals like this, use Strong 8 VPN. Protect your IP address for only $9.99 a month.
It's a really great service. Don't forget to use
Hello?
You fucking lying cunt. I have your address. I'm gonna find you and I'm...
Not again. Hello?
Pizza delivery?
I didn't order any pizza.
Madison White? I got like 6 pizzas down here for you.
I didn't order any pizzas.
Come on, lady, just come downstairs and talk to me.
Leave me the fuck alone! Where were you last?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. For the flight deck, this is your captain speaking. About to start our final descent in Paris. We should have been in the ground in approximately 30 minutes from now. Thanks for joining us. Wish you all a very pleasant evening in Paris, wherever your travels might be.
Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm at Chateau Saint Laurent. It is absolutely gorgeous here. I'm having a beautiful pool day. You guys all have to come. I'm going to put up a little code for you in my bio. Who are you?
Hello. I'm checking in.
Passport? Madison White.
I was also wondering, I had a couple friends stay here a few weeks ago. I'm trying to get a hold of one of them.
Oh, we don't give out information about previous guests.
One girl who has a birthmark and another girl with blonde hair. They were here back around August 12th.
What do you want to know about them?
Oh,
What are their names? You don't know their names.
I'm having a beautiful full day. You guys.
Found you.
Bonjour.
Hello? I'm trying to get a hold of your daughter.
Je ne comprends pas.
I don't know, I don't speak French. Diane? I'm looking for Diane.
Diane, oui.
I'm trying to get a hold of her.
Diane n'est pas là, elle est à Bali avec Catherine. Qui êtes-vous?
Catherine?
Oui, elle est avec Catherine, elles sont parties à Bali. Vous connaissez Catherine?
Ollie? Indonesia?
Oui. Qui êtes-vous?
No, merci. Goodbye.
You know nothing about me and my girl, you fucking dickhead. My girl's not like
Women
that.
do not care about the effort that you put in. They just want to see the winner, right? As soon as the well-run tries, she's out, she's gone. You'll be alone in a second. See, women don't understand the value of work. They never had to. That's why they just look to us. Because they are opportunistic, soulless creatures, really.
Everyone's looking out for themselves. You're just hyper-focused on women. I mean, men are just as bad.
No. Relationship with a man is not opportunistic. It is mutual. You actually like each other.
I already told you, my girl's not like that.
No, see, you are a reflection of how you see yourself. And your reflection is that of a pathetic little simp bitch. This isn't fucking rocket science, bro. Lift some fucking weights. business only. Do not let the women set the precedent in the relationship. Don't let a
Yeah,
woman
sit in your
dictate the
fucking
relationship. You
villa
know
and
this, right?
fucking
Man,
headset.
shit, I'm out.
Be like
I'm
that.
out.
You have
Shit,
got
I'm
fun.
out. Getting tilted, bro. Namaste, faggots. That went well, I think.
Hey, did you see his reaction? Did you watch?
A bit.
I mean, I thought it went all right.
I just really think you can push further. Get under their skin more. Force them to be the dick. You're the voice of reason, remember that.
Yeah, you're right.
Need some kind of spark, something controversial. Everything is so blasé. People are getting bored. You're dropping off.
Separate the attic from the bushes.
He's a fucking bitch, dude. I gotta be honest with you. You know, I used to have this thing about not telling my guy friends they should dump their girls because honestly, if you want to mess your life up, that's none of my business. But clearly, you need a wake-up call.
You don't even fucking know her.
I know that you're not happy. That I fucking know. The way she treats you, dude, the way that anytime anything even goes remotely wrong, she flies off the fucking rails.
You don't know the kind of work that she's putting in, though, bro. Like, the stream is popping off.
You don't believe half the shit that you're saying. And where the fuck are the shots?
I'm giving these kids purpose, man. And we do need a shit gun. You know, make masculinity cool again.
My God. I give up.
We've completely lost the male role model. And, like, it's just these young kids that are, like, so fucking lost.
Okay, prove it. She seems fuckable.
What are you talking about?
Ever since you got into with Ariana, you've been on this holier than art thou bullshit. And if you're such a man like you say you are, she shouldn't care if you go over there and fuck her.
Hey, you know what? Fuck it. You wanna go fucking talk to her? I'll go fucking talk to her.
Okay, go.
I'll fucking do it, bro. I'll go talk to her.
Go. Hi.
Addictions. As long as there are people,
Hey!
there will be addictions to drugs.
I'm good.
I'm not hitting on you.
Cool.
Sports, even to arts, creeds,
Hey,
to religions.
hey, can I get another one of these? And she'll have a.
Bill, thanks.
And he who knows how to pace himself can win any race.
I have a girlfriend. I'm not hitting on you. You just seem like the loneliest girl in the world.
I hate places like this.
Then why are you here?
I'm looking for someone. Maybe you've seen her.
What are you, stalking her? I'm just joking. Why are we looking for this mystery girl, huh? She do something to you? I bet she stole something from you. She must have.
She killed a bunch of people. Left me on an island to die. Almost did, but managed to strand her on it.
Okay, well then how did she get off? Wait. You seem familiar.
You remind me of someone. Not a good thing.
Hold on, wait, just... If I do run into this mystery girl, how will I let you know? What else do I need to know about her? Yo, motherfuckers. Yo, morning, Chad. Morning to all. What's up, Benny? I see you. Yeah, it's late as fuck here, but we're on the grind. Grinding every fucking day out here.
We all up late out here.
Benny, thanks for the 5. I got some videos. This is some dog shit.
Marissa finally got engaged. Ever since they've had that kid, they've been dominating. It's not even that cute. She asked us to come over later. I said we would, but I don't want to stay too late. I noticed Nutri-Greens hasn't sent their last payment yet. Have you followed up with them about that? Jacob.
What's up?
Are you listening?
Yeah, no.
Okay, you need to be on that because I can't be the one who's...
I know.
Hey. I love you. Okay? You know that. It's because I care.
One sec. You're not a murderer, are you?
What?
No. You sure? Unless there's another girl in Bali that looks exactly like you. There's a girl looking for you.
Who?
Mentioned something about a dead girl in France. Met you in Thailand. It sounded ridiculous. You get caught immediately. How'd you get off the island?
Excuse me?
You're really not gonna give me anything, huh? Okay. Just kidding. Good luck, killer.
She's back.
Hey.
How's your day going?
Fine.
Several updates. Few new messages from the States. Nothing too out of the ordinary, but flag-worthy.
Let's pause all communication on everything. We may need to pack up and move again. Potentially quickly.
Is there any updates on the investigation? I haven't found any new articles.
No, I think we're in the clear. Madison's here.
Why?
I don't know. I think she's looking for me.
How does she know you're here?
I don't know. The only people who know we're here are your parents.
Madison doesn't know my parents, does she?
No.
Then how did she find us?
How does she find us?
All her accounts are still inactive. She's offline.
Not surprising.
Does she know your real name? What else does she know?
She knows about Charlotte.
How?
Do something for me. Let's do a search for males ages 25 to 35, brown eyes, short hair. Anyone who's been here in the last few weeks.
Got it.
Wait, hold. Go back. There.
It's her. What are you going to do?
She wouldn't be stupid enough to come alone. But it didn't seem like she was with anyone. What am I missing?
What if you just lay low? She wouldn't be able to find you.
Check this out. You hear about those murders in Thailand? Okay, get this. So I'm at the club. I'm chatting up this chick, right? Turns out her name is Madison White. Look. She was arrested in Thailand last year. Last fucking year. And she claims she's here looking for the real fucking killer. This girl with the birthmark.
No way.
Yeah. So the next fucking day, I run into that chick. Yeah, that fucking chick, bro. Like, I only talked to her for a second. She wasn't giving me shit, but it was her. It was fucking her.
You think she did it?
I mean, I don't know, bro. I don't fucking know. Like, everything on mine points to the first chick. But I'm telling you, chat, like, really, this bitch is tiny. Like,
She hot?
I think we should leave.
No. There's a better way out of this.
Neither of them can prove anything.
I just need...
The fucking redhead, bro.
Yeah.
Like, that shit might be nasty. When I went up to her, like, she was giving me those fucking vibes. Got some food for thought. Some warning thoughts. I always get these comments asking me, how can I acquire wealth? What does it take to become rich? It's all mental. It's all a mental game. Let's just say that a man wins the lottery, right? Well, if he hasn't carved out that mentality, if he hasn't locked it in, he's gonna lose it all in 6 weeks, right? So don't be a wage cuck.
Find me a street view to match this.
Got it. Found it.
Catherine a eu tellement de problèmes avec cette fille. Elle l'harcelait. Elle a dû obtenir une ordonnance restrictive.
Mon Dieu. C'est vrai qu'elle semblait très bizarre. Je suis tellement désolée pour Catherine.
Moi aussi, c'est terrible.
You can't love others until you love yourself. We've all heard this a million times. This is a lie.
We are living in a world of corrupt morals and degeneracy. Their ideology cult is coming for your children.
I've told you! Man, you and me single, it'd be like a bees all over again. Come on, I want my wingman back.
Hi. You're the one that came up to me about that psychopath that's been stalking me?
What?
So, you're sure she meant you?
She cornered me and said I did these awful things. I don't understand. I met her one time, and now she's trying to frame me. Maybe you can help me? Hey, I'm scared.
Just call the cops.
They're not gonna help me. I can't prove it. They just turn me away. Please.
There you are. I've been looking all over the place for you. Come on, right back to mine.
Go on, guy. All right, well, I gotta go, but I'll talk to you later.
What are you talking about? No, you're invited. Come with us.
Come with.
Christ, it's like this guy cockblocks himself.
I'm a Tuscan thug, I rate your whole concept. I'm rocking like a pit bull. I'm embarking the arm with citrus on my garments. Disarm yet they harmless. I know they can run this. I can make the worst stop. If the murder over, awestruck when they see your head cock up, taking my shot to the top. I'm sick like a sneeze, like a cough, like a breeze. In the storm, I'm a season, never need to any ease. You believe what you want, but you leave what you don't. They don't understand, so I'ma put it in the biggest font. Hop on my dick, you a bitch, you can sit with the rest of these. On the list, tripping the blink of an eye, don't get back to sleep. Stop a minute, baby, I'm on top of my monopoly.
I just don't understand anything I can do about it.
I'm all alone here. She's following me. I'm scared.
She doesn't seem the type.
You don't understand this girl. She's like a chameleon. One moment she pretends like she's this small, innocent girl who doesn't know anything, and then she's suddenly different. She has this way of making you come to her. She finds out exactly what you want and plays right into it. I wouldn't be surprised if she was twisting her way into your life as we speak.
What?
She's crazy. She probably gets a kick out of it. Maybe it's just fun for her. Or she's jealous, I don't know. Maybe she's just nuts. I'm scared. You just have this energy. I feel safe with you.
What are you doing?
Dude.
Can we go somewhere more private?
Listen. Just... I have a girlfriend.
I don't care.
I do.
I thought you were some strong male role model.
I've never cheated on my girlfriend. I love her. Yeah, I can help you.
I need you to help me confront her. Publicly. She needs to be exposed. Do you still have her number?
I do.
I think she knows where I live. Can I stay at yours?
No.
I can't be alone right now.
We can go to my place tomorrow and figure it out. But not tonight. You can stay here, but...
I get it. So honorable of you.
like that, you little bitch. Oh, you're pathetic.
What the fuck? Who the fuck are you?
I know Jacob.
Okay. He's not here.
I'm waiting for him.
And you just decided to go on his computer?
Yeah, he said I could. Who are you?
You're in my house. I'm calling Jacob.
Yeah, I'm gonna go.
No, you're not, actually. I'm gonna call the police. You can talk to them.
What do you want to know? If I fucked him? I don't know what your little setup is here, but yeah, I did.
She's back.
Hey. Hi.
Hello? been hurt before.
I want to be able to be honest.
Tell me something then.
Like what?
Like what happened to your eye?
I got stranded on an island in the middle of the ocean. Someone got the best of me and left me to die.
What?
Yeah. True story.
How'd you get off?
What?
Oh, the island. How'd you get off of it?
That's what you're attaching to. I've done a lot of things I'm not exactly proud of.
We've all done things we're not happy with. So what we do with it, that matters.
Jamais eu d'animaux à la maison. Et la voisine avait un élevage de tortues. Et elle faisait faire des courses de tortues.
Dan? Dan? No. No, wake up. No, wake up. No, I didn't mean that. No. I'd like to be able to be honest with you.
I'll be right back. All good?
Yeah.
I love you. 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 I love you.
Come on, Jacob.
Cameron, thank God. Where's Jacob?
He's,
Jacob?
Cameron.
Jacob is,
Cameron, where the fuck is he?
Fuck, yo, bitch, calm down.
Cameron, I swear to God, you put him on the fucking phone right now.
How about you pack your little bags and move on, because Jacob is in my room and he's not alone. And he told me everything.
You did?
Yeah, he did. He's over you, and he's sick of all your bullshit. And, I don't think he cares what you do, so why don't you fuck off?
Wake up, big boy. Come on, wake up. It's time to go.
Oh. Fuck me. Oh.
Can I use your phone? I think I broke mine. Do you want my help or not? Just...
We should go.
You like that, you little bitch? Oh, you're pathetic.
Hey, dude, can I talk to you for a second?
Yeah, I'll meet you out there. What the f... You jerking off?
Oh,
Look, listen. About that chick, there's nothing going on. Hey, do you remember that blonde that you matched with on Tinder? Never mind, it's way too complicated. That girl, she might be wanted for murder.
What?
Dude, I have this whole plan. She thinks I'm falling for it, but I'm gonna catch her red-handed. I mean, Ariana doesn't know about it, but... Man, I'm telling you, This is gonna bring the stream to the next fucking level, like viral shit, bro.
Right.
Yeah. What's up, man? You good?
So you haven't talked to Ariana yet?
No. No, man. It's a surprise. She's been trying to find ways to build up the brand, bro. But this is it. This is fucking it. Hey, my phone's busted, but I'm going home. If she calls, tell her I'm bringing home a gold mine. How did you get in here?
The door was open. She's not moving, Jacob.
What the fuck did you do? Hey. No. What the fuck?
It's time to turn yourself in. It's over. Why in the hell do you think I'd do that? You're gonna run out of places to run away to. You think... I had nothing to do with her.
What did you do?
Me? I didn't. She... When your phone texted me, I knew it was her. I came early like we talked about, and I found...
I did what you said. I did what you said. She pretended to be you to Cameron, and exactly like you said, she came up to us.
You two are setting me up. She's manipulating you. It's her. The door was wide open when we got here.
Oh,
Jacob, I told you. She's doing exactly what I said.
Which one of you did this? Which one of you did this?
Jacob, I swear. She's been playing you this whole time. I told you she'd try to entwine herself into your life. Fuck you. I've been with Jacob this entire time. How would I...
What? Nice!
Sorry.
Oh, nice guy!
You ran. You murdering bitch.
le cœur qui fait bien boum boum. Quand tu rentres dans la pièce boum, je fais boum 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 boum.
She's back. She's back.
Hello?
How's your day going? You alright?
What is this?
I know you.
You're Diane.
Obviously.
She killed you too.
Who are you talking about?
She did, didn't she?
I don't know what you're talking about. What's wrong, honey?
Just left you. Like everyone else.
Who are you talking about?
Catherine. Why did she do it?
I just want us to be happy. It's okay what you do. I understand now. I want to help.
Hey. Oh, fuck. Hey. Yeah. Hey. You're gonna be okay. If I can. Hey. You're gonna be okay. Hey. She's gone. She's gone. You're safe. Just get this. Holy fuck. Get this off. Yeah, there we go. You're safe. You're safe. Just gotta get you up here. Come on. There you go. There we go. Oh my God. Oh my God. You weren't kidding. She's nuts. Oh my God. Wake up. There you are. Yeah. There you go. There you go. We're gonna be okay. Hey, you're gonna be okay. We're just No. Stay. You're gonna be okay. I just need...
Hey, I need your phone so I can call someone.
Fuck. I need to call someone. Fuck. Oh my... Oh, fuck. Okay. I think she missed my organs.
You're right. She's...
The cops will know what to do. Yeah. Yeah. Hey. You were right, too. She told me all these things about you. She tried to
get into my life.
The little restaurant needs to be public.
It just doesn't make sense why you pretended to... Oh, oh my stomach. Oh. Wait. Why were you in my house last night? You broke it? I don't understand.
It's too bad. She killed you. And your girlfriend. All because you poisoned the world. Her words, not mine. I'm starting to agree. You're a cancer. And sometimes there needs to be someone who cuts the cancer out. Madison! We can come out now. Madison?
Fake and gay. Wait, what the actual fuck? Who's the dead girl? This is fucked up. Did she actually just murder Jacob? Holy shit. Step on me, mommy. Jacob deserved it. I'm in love. Girl, you fine as hell. Jacob is a cowboy fag. She's a goddess. Incredible. This is wild. Jacob can burn in hell. Hot.
I see you.
I would risk it. He let me down, Frau.
Goodbye, Diane.
Goodbye, Madison.
Does she have an OnlyFans? I bet she's a killer in the sheets too. What's your name? I'm in love.
At first I was upset, but then I remembered that there's no such thing as bad press, and it's actually genius if you think about it, because I've never heard of a single public figure who had a sex tape that hurt their career. In fact, sex tapes help careers. They elevate careers, and all he has to do is do a little bit of a rebrand, and if he pitches that correctly, then this is a fantastic opportunity. What the fuck? What are you doing here?